Buyer showings fell 11.1% on the Maryland Eastern Shore this report, and new contracts are down 17.1%. It's Friday, June 20th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. There is 22.6% more inventory this report compared to last year at this same time. Buyer showing activity is steady. Homes for sale rose this report to 2,157 units, with another 146 coming soon. 179 homes went under contract, and days on the market rose to 35 days before a contract is received by the seller. 161 homes settled at 98.2% list to sold ratio, with days before contract improving to 22 days. Homes for lease rose to 119 at a median $21.50 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, June 20th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.